Hello students. Previous we are doing file handling, and in previous lecture we have already seen file handling, how to create a program in file handling. Now important thing is there. Uh, Previously we have seen some programs related regarding file handling, how to do write the content in a file, how to read the content in a file. So this is the thing which we can maintain it. Now, how previous program we have seen it count the number of uh, characters in a file. Now, one more thing, here we are using count the number of uh, words in a file. So how can we count it? This is the program. First, I'll explain it this program, then I'll run it this program. Very first thing, whenever you are reading or writing or append any file, always use open function. This is the most important thing. Previously, I have already explained this thing. Number one. So fin is the object, open is the function, and here is the file location where we are using or which file we have reading it. The file, in that file the content is already written. हम ये मान रहे हैं कि book.txt में content लिखे हुए हैं, we are reading that file because whenever the contents are written, we have to read that time. First we have to write it, then we have to read it. That is the most important thing. Now yes, most important thing. Now the thing is that fn.read. Read is the function which is a file object. So fn.read is the function. It will, the object will return str. Str is the function. L str.split. It will split the words. Where it will split? It will split the words where the space is remaining. For example, suppose I am writing. I have written it. So I, after that, m space, after that writing space. So this will split it words. That is the most important thing. Now, count words equals to 0, I in L. Count words equals to count words plus 1. Why it is count words plus 1? Because it will count the words. And whatever counting is there, after ending it, it will count the words and close it. Now see, we can use it, this program, in a file, count the words. I'm creating it file, count the words. So count words. I'm giving comment in the first line. Now if open, we are giving the location. I'm giving the location ePrompt. ePrompt abc.txt file is created. This file I am opening it. This is the thing. This content is already written. E colon abc. E colon abc.txt. Read it. strfn.read l str.split count words. I in L. After that, because indentation is required, and then close. Here the file is closing the file. Opening the file. Read str count words. Now I'm running the things. 15 words are there. I'll open that file. Now all three things are there. First, this file is there. That is in the form of E prompt. It is in readable form. Why it is in readable form? Because we have already written in W mode. If open is the function. Always whenever you are performing any operation, so that time you have to use it mode, write, read, whatever. Fn dot read, whatever object is written, it will come to str. Str dot split, it will split the number of characters. So after that, count words. It will count the words. For I in L, count words equals to count words one. Print count words fn dot close. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is. So how to split it? It will split through space. एक आ रहा है L, पहले L से split हो गया, फिर एक count हो गया. फिर अगेन स्प्लिट इज द स्प्लिटिंग द थिंग, जहां जहां से स्प्लिट हो रहा है वो सारे लेके एल में आके काउंट कर. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. क्लोज इट. Then next, count the number of lines in text. Again it is very easy. Number of lines. So read lines we have yesterday, previously we have seen that this thing, count the number of lines. The read line is the function to read the thing. Then count lines. E column abc.txt. Read what? Read lines count str. How to find out lining count? So read line is the function. Yes, only read the line. At a time, one line it can read it. So whatever thing is, it will come in single object. Whatever comes, it will come in single object. So count line I in str, count line equals to count plus one, then count line. So now see it again. I'll open it that file. Two lines, 1 and 2. First line and second line. Now this is the most important thing. So there are three functions: read, read line, and read lines. Read line, read multiple lines. Read line, read single line, and reads. So I think the concept should be clear. Now next is vowel. Count the number of vowels in a text file. I'll explain it. Count the number of. Now this is the thing which we can count it. Again, fin e colon abc dot txt read what fin dot read count equals to 0 for I in str colon. Now the thing is, if I equals to 8 or e or I or o or u, 5 characters are there for vowel. So a e i o u whatever thing is there. It will count it. So count equals to count plus 1. Print count. It will count the 23. Now see it again. 23. A, E, I, O, U. Or is the operator, either A will come or E will come or I will come or O will come or U will come. It will count it. Count equals to count plus 1. Now one important thing, these 2 lines is the part of loop. And this is outside the loop and this is closed function. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. So again, very nice thing. How to read it, how to perform loop, how to perform all these things. That is the most important thing. Now next is now count the number of keys words in a text file. Again read. Read, split, count 0. If I equals to is, it will count it. So I think there is no need to count this is because we have already explained it. Split whenever, always split it whenever it requires number of words, number of lines, number of characters, or number of specific words is characters. So I don't think there is this program will be compiling and running is required in this situation. Now, previous programs we have seen it right line we have not seen it, but we understand thing. So there are 2 types of function, write function and string, and write byte string and write line. Write function have 3 parameters. One is 0 parameter, one is 1 parameter, that is string, and one is again 1 parameter, that is byte string. Write line, write all string in list ls2 line. राइट लाइन में देखना है कि सारी लाइंस क्लियर करें. So that is the most important thing. So to write the data on existing file, we have to use the following mode: W, write or overwrite. F out open dot a. Append mode always add the content at the end of the file. This is most important. F out dot write. Welcome to the world of the programmer. Example: open dot file dot txt and write overwrite the content. W mode and write mode. This is the basic difference. Now we are writing it the record. Write a program to take the details of the book from the user and write the record in a text file. Details of the book from the user and write. This is F open, Python programs or W. Integer, how many records, for loop, details of record, title of the book, price, title and record, F out, close. Now when we write it, that time will not show the content. When we are writing it, it will not show the content. So see, like I'm inputting it. How many records you want to write in a file? Enter the details of record 1, Java 252, C++ 300. Then 3, 303, Python 450. So these are the records. Now see this program, we can run it and copy it. Save it, record, file record. Now I'll put it comment, program to take, program. Book details, input, book details. User and write the record. Write the record text file. F open. Now I am writing it in column book.txt. W mode. Then in input the records you want to write a file. This is the value. How many records? For I in range n. The record will be stored from 0 to n minus 2. Enter. Then enter title. Why I plus 1? Because always loop always start with 0. Loop 0 से start होता है. So 0 to n minus 1. So I plus 1, that means पहला record रहेगा position 0. First record. Enter title or whatever. Title, input, enter the title of the book, price, float, input, enter the details of the price. Now next is a record equals to, this is the keyword, title, जो भी title लिया, the title plus comma str plus this all things will write it and close. Now see it whether it will be performing or not properly. This is first error. How many records? दो record बोल देते हैं. First record का book, title of the book, computer science, price 500. Second book, this IP ले लेते हैं, information practice 450. Now the content is written or not, how to check it? So there are two options. Either we can read it or we can open that file. So where we have to store it, it will store it in book.txt. Where in? So go to E drive. Book.txt here, book.txt. These two records will store. Record store. Out because वो loop में नहीं लिया. Again, we will do this programming loop. Now, again I will compile it. Two records. IT first ले लेते हैं. 650 और CS सेकंड ले लेते हैं 750. तो देखते हैं. Now just see it, check it. Now both the records will display. Record. That's why the important thing is it will store in loop. एक एक करके दो record. IP 350 CS. अब देखते हैं. Just two records because two loops are there, so that is the most important thing. इसको हम जरूर रन कर लेते हैं. One more time I am running. So this is the proper way. Three records. First is CS. Price 450. IP 550. Computer application 350. Now see it, the all records are stored or not. Again, very interesting thing is there. This thing is 10. Now this is the writing program. Now the same program, either you can open it first way, first approach we can see it. ये approach हमने देख ली. Now the second thing is that read it. So record append. Now same content we can use it append. Same program. If we are writing it, see previously 3 times I have run it, so it will overwrite it every time. Now in this situation it will not overwrite it. one record, and computer graphics 780. Now see, 4 records are entered. The 4 records. That is called append. In previous situation, these three always overlap it. If we are writing it, suppose I am writing it in W in this same file, it will overwrite it, and whatever we have write, it will store it. And if we are using append, it will store it from this place. That is the most important. Now append mode. I hope append mode is clear. To delete a file, you have to import OS model and use remove function. If it work or not, I don't know, because OS functions we have not operated previously in OS functions. I'll create book one and write it here. Book one. Save it. Delete file. Now see whether it is working or not. Yes. So I think book1.txt will not be there. Yes. Again, I am creating so that book1.txt. Oh, sorry. Import os dot remove. So book1 B is capital. Now here it is showing double extension will be put it here. Now it is working. When it's not, error is not showing, that means it is working. Now see it. Book1.txt is not there. See. So I think the concept should be clear. Check if file exists. To avoid getting an error, if you want to check if file exists before you try to delete it, example, check if file exists. then delete it. Was path dot exist, book dot txt was removed, existed, otherwise does not exist. So same program we can write it here. अब book one dot txt ले लेते हैं, same program. Program for deleting file. Book one dot txt is not there, वो file है नहीं अब. Else. File does not exist. ये message आना चाहिए. File does not. That means error is not showing. In this situation, if file not exist, error will show. In this situation, file not exist, the program will compile and this error will show. Now suppose if file is there, then I'll create a file, book, copy, paste, book one. Now run it. Yeah, file does not exist. Book one. File does not exist. Book one. ये gap है ना? This is clear. Path exist. Sorry, that's not print file remove. One message will come. यहाँ पर उसका अपन location भी देगा. Again, the location is required. That's why it's not reading it. And one more important thing. Location, because it shows current path. That's why I'm not deleting it. File. Now see the check. There is no file. So I hope clear the concept of meaning of file ending, file exist, file remove, file in, file out. Everything I have cleared it in this particular session, important session is there. If you have any doubt, you can ask. You can give it comment. You can also personal message me, or ping me, write any message or comment or whatever thing. And one important thing, you always practice it, this type of program, because without practicing, you couldn't understand the things. So I think that's all from my side today. And try to revise it. You can use any book and do yourself. Thank you very much.